So what's up, guys? I'm on my way to Woody's house to show you guys the purchase that I picked up. I picked up a truck, so it should be something good for the channel, and it's definitely going to be good for me. So, you know, I figure I'm out here, LS motor getting done, might as well get a truck. I'll show you guys what the truck look like once I get there. So yeah, kind of a little happy, you know. Of course, yeah, it's gonna be like another little project for us to do, but you know, just something different for the channel. I'll let you guys know what it looks like once we get there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so basically gonna show you the next build. Yes, I know for another project, but this is a cool ass project. Hell yeah. So everything I got in it, it comes with roll up windows, not electric, and it's a Ford, but I'm going to remove a lot of the Ford emblems, so I'm not really too worried. I'm planning to go something totally different. I ain't worried about the rust, and like I said, it's just a nice little beater. Hell yes. Stay tuned for more. It ain't just a 240 anymore.
It's a Ford.
Yes, it's a Ford. We turn into a Chevy like everything else. I say about what? No more than what, 2,000? That's good enough. I should be able to get everything I need. So yes, this will be my new beater slash go fast. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, so basically this is a continuation of me talking about the truck. Okay, so this is what I already picked up as far as Ford wise. I know right now some of you guys are looking at this like, what the hell is all this shit? Like, down in the fender wells and all that stuff. But it's just here for me to introduce this truck and show you guys what I got going on. What is the plan of this? As you guys can see, so it's basically no motor, no trans in it. Damn sure ain't no exhaust, because that's not staying. Right? Damn sure. Probably gonna swap out these tires. The interior is definitely seen better days, but I mean, who's really worrying about that? So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep the dashboard and everything like it is. We get ready to fit and to clean this out. Me and my boy Woody, because I'm over his house. He's where he got the truck stored at, and this is the shape it's in. So
I can't do it now.
my bad guys, I dropped y'all by mistake. I don't have my stand, but pretty much this build is gonna be $2,000 build. Basically, this is what I want to do for $2,000. How much horsepower can we make? I care less how this truck look. It's not here to look pretty. It's not here to look bam, it's gonna catch your eyes. This is literally a strictly drop and play truck motor with the transmission and all. Me and my friends, we're gonna try to get together. You're gonna see them possibly on this channel. Everybody's gonna take turns doing something and redoing this truck and whatnot. So for the most part, we really want to concentrate on for $2,000 and only $2,000 is the motor. And I ain't worried about too much for the trans. It's just basically motor parts. We have enough. Yes, it's a Ford 1983. Yes, you probably think to yourself, oh, another LS. Yes, right now another LS is going to go down there for right now until otherwise. This build right here is going to be focused on for the person that might not have the money to really build a LS, and they just want something like halfway decent and something fun. Supposedly, you know, you got this truck from your grandparents or something, and let's just say you had a running motor and everything already in it, but it's just not strong enough. What can I get for $2,000? I can get rid of this truck and probably get something else, or should I take what I got and just run with it? And I'm about to show you guys in this build for $2,000, you can take what you got and run with it and run and have fun. That's all this truck is really going to be, a built fun process. So sit back, you know how we do, relax and enjoy the build. I'm going to show you some other variation of things that we do got for this build. I do got a bunch of parts for this build, what's inside the truck, like grill and all that, radiator. For this truck, for old as it being, is basically fairly brand new. So so it's basically fairly brand new and whatnot. So, well, parts wise, you can get it for dirt cheap. But yeah, that's what we're doing for this thing. But yeah, I'm not worried about all the rust. If you know, watch my previous video with the Nissan 240, I pour 15 everything. What I'm gonna do is pressure wash this all out, pour 15 this, right? Pressure wash it, pour 15 it. I got a pressure wash at the house, pour 15 it. Oh shit. No? No? You got enough water down? Oh shit. Only this guy. But I got enough stuff for me to pressure wash this, and yeah, we should be good. Or I might just hit it with the hose, but I'm gonna get some pour 15 and just basically just do like the rails and everything like that. It's nothing but that's all I'm basically gonna do. But you guys take care. It's just a little introduction for this build and this truck. Hope you guys like it. This is for the guy, like I said, that works at McDonald's, Walmart, etc., etc. This is what, just the case he might have for him to go back and forth to work, and he's going to be a little bit more faster. What can he get? And how much horsepower can he make for underneath for $2,000? So that's what I'm shooting for. I got a bunch of shit in my garage that I can take off and then grab it from my...
You still have the one valve cover thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I took that other one off. I took the tray off. It's in the house.
Oh, okay.
So that's nothing. But where is the? Let's see.
There goes the wrench over there.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I turned it last night. Yes,
We got compression.
Who the fuck you know doesn't burn on the goddamn driveway?
Me, TJ. E, if he could, if his mother didn't even noticing. Oh, it's because the flywheel on the back of the tire. Yep, we good.
Oops, we broke something, so no.
I ain't worried about it. I got another bolt. So.
I would still tear her down.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I know shit. The ain't that bad.
No, it's like oil and just it'd be alright. Time I get fence cleaned it up, it'd be alright. Yeah. Alright. Good motor.
I'm not messing with this.
What's
I'm
up?
keeping it until I finish my build.
With this motor?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Basically, so I can know, hey, if I need something,
Grab it off of that.
grab it off of that.
And I'll keep all my other stuff just in
you know,
case.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Instead of me just buying shit.
Yep. Alright guys, so like he said, he's gonna go ahead and keep it for a little bit just to route some more stuff off of it, but I ain't worried about it because I do have some parts from my 5.3 I can add on to this. This is a 2007 5.3, so this is the aluminum one. Pretty much the aluminum one versus the cast iron. So I'm not really, you know, like I said, it's different components, and you can tell with the plate here. So yeah, we have a 5.3. We just got to get heads for it. Because the heads that was on this, I robbed it for my 5.3 head. So, boom. I'm going to use them heads. No, I'm going to use them heads for my 5.3. But I'm going to get another set of heads. Probably from the junkyard. And we got the transmission here. I'm going to take this transmission. I'm going to bolt it up to this block. And we should be good to go. And we also got a converter. So, yeah. We got pretty much everything except for wiring harness. We got the intake manifold over there. But I ain't worried because as far as that... Oh, we didn't take ECU. I can get you ECU, so that'd be cool. Thank you. So pretty much he's got intake. I have the intake for the drive-by-wire. If I want to use it, I have that at the garage. I got a couple of things for my 5.3 I can use that I'm not going to be using on my car. That I can swap it over on this. So other than that,
Sorry, I took your down pen.
that's cool. We good. So
I'm taking shit.
right. So we still like scrapping stuff. I'm going to use some stuff off of this. So pretty much it's going to be almost me, Woody. We're going to try to get Emmanuel out here. So,
Yeah.
we're going to try to get Emmanuel. A few other people, like Brenton, going to be on this build a little bit. You're going to see everybody put their own little hands on it, get together. This is mainly, like I said, for the guys that work at Walmart, all these low budget places that's, you know, that don't have the money to spend high end. So how much power can you make off of a 5.3 working at that place?
Quite a bit.
Yeah. So that's what our goal is. And still keep the truck looking like it is. But you guys take care. I'll go over some other things with you guys as far as if you didn't have a 5.3, how much they going for. What's they going for now? Like $500-$600? Yeah, for like, so I guess I can subtract that from out the budget. But we already got a 5.3, so we're gonna use what we got. It's all in-house. It's basically gonna be like a sloppy mechanic build. Something that this little guy do not like. Sloppy mechanic builds. But you guys take care. I'm about to go clean out this truck. And have a good day. Peace. This ass. He is gone. This ass threw a dick print on the back of the damn truck. Oh shit.
What's the funny of it is we go scrape all that shit off.
Yep, it's all coming off. Oh shit.